Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring Batu Pahat, a charming town in Johor, located about 3 hours drive away from Kuala Lumpur and 2 hours from Johor Bahru. A lot of people think Batu Pahat is just an industrial town with nothing much to offer. But let's go and check it out for ourselves. Our first stop is Sun Lai Kopitiam for breakfast. We're having kueh chap and lorbak. Enjoy your breakfast. Now my friend is having her second breakfast of wonton mee. She's always our designated driver, so we have to make sure that she's happy and well-fed at all times. Okay, enjoy your second breakfast. It's possible to visit Batu Pahat on a day trip from Johor Bahru, Kuala Lumpur, or even Singapore, but with the 2 to 3 hours driving time, I think it's better to spend one night. We're staying at 88 Boutique Hotel Batu Pahat. Now we're ready to do some exploring. This is Sehai Long Wang Temple, dedicated to the dragon god. The temple is so much bigger and more interesting than I expected. Like many other towns in Malaysia, Batu Pahat also has its own collection of street art. Check out these colorful murals. Such a great spot for photos. If you like exotic food, you can try soft-shell turtle soup at Sui Ki restaurant. If you're less adventurous, they also have other Chinese herbal soups here. Our next food stop is Kiri Kanan Cafe. And we're trying their special Nyonya Stingray Asam Pedas and Teddy Bear Iced Coffee. After all that eating, we're now gonna take it easy at Taman Rekreasi Tasik Y. It's the perfect place to relax and enjoy some greenery. And that's a wrap for my day in Batu Pahat. It's definitely more than just an industrial town. If you have more time to spare, you can also visit Pantai Minyak Beku and Gallery Dato On. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next destination.